Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel again.
Gore,
Nessie,
and today what are we doing?
why do you ask me this question every time?
Because I love it.
Most viewed fan cams of 2025.
Okay.
One fan cam per idol. At least they have put this.
One fan cam per idol. Oh, thank God, because that is how it is small.
Yeah, otherwise we could have watched like hundreds of clips
Yes.
and of the same people.
Correct. So here we go.
Why has she put on mehendi? See, mehendi.
It's okay. It's cross culture. Aren't you happy? The most viewed. In 2022, I thought it would be later.
Only focus cam, non-group fan cam. Ah, that got it.
Okay, top 50. Okay. Cool girl energy. Nice. I like the outfit. Momo. Hanbin. Wow. I mean,
I think I have heard of that song somewhere.
but that is not his song. It's not his song.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not his song. Okay. Major soda pop vibes.
Which one? He's not Genu.
Okay, the biceps guy. Okay, Mingyu.
I love this song.
Are they all singing other people's songs?
I think so because
Because this is also not his song.
you know what? So
The intro, I think, was mentioning this other people's fan cams or what? Other group songs. What?
maybe. So I did some work like social scraping, and I was on Samsung's Instagram page for India.
Okay, next.
And N- and Seven, like they were the collaborations I could find on Samsung's page. So they have collaborated with Samsung India.
Okay, Jay. Standing next to you. Yeah, so I think they are performing on other people's songs. Oh,
Her makeup is purely Chinese, and she looks
it's
more.
not. It's Duya makeup. Duya, if
Yeah.
I'm speaking it right.
But she's very cute.
I don't know why I like this group.
Because it mentions hot sauce and you like spicy things.
Zhang Hao. Isn't this a Chinese name? Okay.
Oh.
Nice moves. What's up with K-pop and like really colorful hair? Why? Why somebody is green? Why somebody is purple? Why somebody is pink or red or blue? And blondes.
Blondies.
Oh, that's Yuna? Okay. Oh, it's Seed Yuna. I've seen her. I think she's fan cam favorite. Okay. If you say so, Tarzan.
He looked everything else apart from Tarzan.
Oh, this one is your favorite. Remember?
The blondie!
Yeah, that. What was that? That Aladdin Slam show. We reacted to the song. It was him. It was him. It was him.
Somebody in the corridor was singing Demon Hunters. I'm done hiding. Kara.
Okay. Isn't she looking like the actress who plays What's Wrong with Secretary Kim?
No.
Yeah. And Marry My Husband.
Why is she taking like their baby steps? Why is she doing baby twerks?
Mr. Often. Cute dress. Chan, Stray Kids.
He was in some kind of military jacket, like
It's not, there's no jacket.
no, not specific military, but when they are on missions. I have seen in K-dramas only.
You are talking about t-shirt and a scarf.
No, he was not in a. Not in
Yeah,
a,
there was something on his neck, and it was a scarf-like thing.
Ah. Do this. Do this.
Thank God we are in 2025. Sana. There's quite less dance. It's just only.
He looks like a vampire.
He looks like
Someone in the Twilight series.
the Japanese manga guy. Anime guy. He looks just straight out of an anime. Look at him.
An anime.
Does it matter?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. Anime.
I
See?
say whatever you want. He was a vampire.
Young Seo. Some of the outfits are like very bad. Some are good. Okay.
Korean University. Korea University?
Asa. Asa, whatever. Yeah, yeah. Again, toxic.
You know
Okay,
who,
ma'am, you've got news.
who she looks like?
Say, I'm waiting.
That lady from North Korea who has been many podcasts.
Got it. Sakura. Okay. Oh wow.
Do that. Do that.
See, I can.
Weren't you jealous at any of their waists?
I'm always jealous of their face, but I am not because I'm happy that I can eat. These people can't. So I'm really happy and grateful. Okay.
And I want it one day or 1 week where you would be on that kind of a diet.
Oh, I cannot. I obviously cannot. Never. Finally, Jisoo. But that's her own song.
A school dress suits her so well.
I think, yeah, Jisoo is one of those people who only looks beautiful and pretty and cute. And if you even try and experiment and put her in like a sexy clothing or try to make her look, it will look, it will not look good.
Yeah. She's cute and young dressing style.
Even Lisa, Jenny, and to some extent Rose as well. All of them can pull off the looks. Like Lisa can definitely, even Jenny also.
Yeah.
But Rose and Jisoo are some of those.
Rose
categories.
can do like jackets, leather jackets. She did, and she was.
She can do the cool girl and the cute girl and everything, but maybe to some extent with some different look, a sexy attire as well, maybe. But Jisoo completely cannot. And I think she should stay like that.
Cute.
I like her in that way. Oh. Yes, man, yes. This should be #1 this year. Oh, damn, yes. Yes, okay. I'm going to rewind this and watch it again.
Note the timestamp.
This is for sure amazing, man. I'm shameless here. Okay. Rich man. Ning Ning. Okay. I don't know which song this is.
I've heard of it.
Carnival.
She looks like a teenager.
I think more of these like less famous groups, or we should say younger groups, they have obviously teenagers as.
I just remembered one thing. So after seeing like so many groups and like there's so many K-pop idols, so many. Like I don't know.
Yes. Again, next.
I think being a K-pop idol in South Korea is equivalent to being a doctor or an engineer in India.
No.
They are.
The dramas we have watched, if you remember, the mothers are only happy when their kids are in a good paying job, with reputation, like a lawyer or a doctor or an engineer.
Yeah, there
or
is an obsession with them.
white-collar jobs.
But still, I think because people are so young, teenagers are like after like
Yeah, but the
they are
pace
put
is
into
another level.
groups and
Yes,
they are
this
being
kind of
trained.
pace is not at all existent in India. Not at all.
This kind of level of nurturing is also not available.
Even if somebody wants to say, "Oh, I want to be," so first of all, there is no very big K-pop, indie pop culture. Okay, I want to be a pop artist, and if somebody wants to be a singer or an actor or dancer, maybe
Or any artistic field.
not everybody is appreciated by their families or supported by their families. Yay, finally!
We were talking about sexy Lisa.
Yeah, man.
She looks like Catwoman.
In this one. Yeah, we love this song. This one is in my playlist.
Like one glimpse looked like Dylan Wong.
Okay. Nikki. Okay. Yay! Daniela. Oh god, these girls are hot. Yes, ma'am. G-Dragon.
I'm still figuring out.
He looks a funny guy from an anime. You know the funny guy, the supporting character who has only funny lines is that guy.
I'm still figuring out like what is he wearing.
Same expressions. That's a Scottish skirt, and it is a men's skirt,
Not the print with the slit.
but that is the skirt. Scottish. Of course, the style, it can be the stylized version. Karina.
Why Indian names?
I have seen her sing. Jay Chan. Okay. Oh, we are already at 4. Where are other BTS boys? Ryota, Miyade. Okay.
He looks like a funny character from a K-drama.
Just because he's wearing scarf or a belt?
No, from the face.
Ginny.
Again, a teenager.
They look like teenagers because of their tiny sizes. They are, okay, some of them might be. But for example,
Oh, do not pause it.
yes, man. Yeah. This got so viral. Okay. Go on, whatever. She surpassed Jenny just because of her boobs? Really?
Same question.
Really?
But Jenny.
So Jenny should have been number 1, and
These are fan cam moments on social media.
still. Come on, J-Hope should be number 1 this year. Okay, number 1 surprised me, and this is going to be my.
What can I say?
this would be my thumbnail look. Okay, number 1 surprised me.
No, number 2 surprised.
Number 2 should have been number 1.
So that is a number 2 surprised. That it's being number 2, not number 1. You would have gone with the number 14. It was 14th, right?
I don't remember what number J-Hope was, but yeah, it should have been number 1.
I think she would, if you were in any of this kind of concert, you would have been.
Like this year, Killing It Girl was one of the best songs which came.
You took it upon yourself that killing it, girl.
No,
I know.
it was only because of his choreography and his moves and the body. I will
Yeah.
shamelessly say.
The cinematography of that
Yes,
song was
yes,
amazing.
It was impressive. That song should definitely get some awards this year. Okay, guys.
Fans will give the awards.
I don't know. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.